Hello and welcome to this video training. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can always make money online. Now I know that's a big promise, but basically what I'm going to be showing you during this video is how you can make a consistent income on the internet if you understand this simple formula. So two quick quotes will give us a clue how you can make consistent money on the internet. The first one is from famous inventor Thomas Edison. He said, "I never perfected an invention that I did not think about in terms of the service it might give others. I find out what the world needs, then I proceed to invent." Another quote that gives us kind of an insight into how to make money on the internet is from motivational speaker Zig Ziglar. He said, "You can get everything you want in your own life if you help enough people get what they want in theirs." Now notice these quotes don't have anything to do with focusing on building your business or hiring the right employees or figuring out the best idea. Instead, it's about focusing on what people want and giving people what they want. So that brings us to the question, what do people want? And the answer is incredibly simple, but also incredibly powerful. People want solutions to their problems. In fact, that's the reason that most people are on the internet searching for products and services. They're looking for a solution to a problem that they have. And believe me, people have a lot of problems. They have money problems, they have time problems, relationship problems, emotional problems, parenting problems, tons and tons of problems. And we've been trained to think that whenever we have a problem, whether it's a health problem or a relationship problem or even a financial problem, that we can go to the internet, go to a search engine, and find a solution. And so that's what people are looking for on the internet. So here's how you can always make money, make consistent money on the internet. Become a problem solver. Make sure you write this down. Make sure you remember this because this can absolutely transform how you make money on the internet. You need to become a problem solver. So let me give you a real-world example so you can completely understand this concept. Let's look at the network marketing industry. This is a massive worldwide industry, and to be more specific, there are 91 million network marketers worldwide. People who are invested in the network marketing and direct selling industry globally and are trying to build a full-time income working for themselves. Now, when you think about a market and you think about a huge market like the network marketing industry, you need to ask yourself, well, what's the number one biggest problem for network marketers? Now, a number of years I was really curious about this question. I had kind of an idea, but I wanted to go to my clients and I wanted to get the answer from them directly. So I did a quick survey and I asked my list, what are the top 3 things they wanted to know the most about? And I let them select up to 3 things from a rather large list. And 2/3 of the people that I surveyed selected as one of their 3 how to get more prospects and leads. And having been in the network marketing industry now over 20 years, I realized it truly is the number one thing that most network marketers want to know about. The number one biggest problem for network marketers can be summed up in one word, and that is leads. Network marketers have a difficult time figuring out where to find leads, where to find the best leads, and where to find them at a cost that's affordable in terms of building their business. So how do you, once you know somebody's problem, how do you solve their problem? Well, let me explain a really simple strategy that I use to solve people's problems and get paid. It's called the Connect the Dots strategy. And before I explain the strategy, I want to read you a quick quote from a great book called The Pumpkin Plan. And here's the quote. It's, "Entrepreneurs don't do most of the work. Entrepreneurs identify the problems," that's what we just did, they identify the problems, discover the opportunities, and then build processes to allow other people and other things to do the work. This is a powerful quote because what we already did is we discovered the problems. We identified the problem. Now we need to discover the opportunity or discover the solution. So you do not have to create the solution yourself as an entrepreneur. You simply connect the dots between the person with the problem and an existing solution. So make sure you get this. You don't create the solution. You connect the dots between the person with the problem or the market with the problem and an existing solution to that problem. So here's two powerful questions that can help you create endless cash flow by using this problem-solution framework. Number one, ask yourself, what's a big problem for a market? Now, my market is network marketers, so I think, okay, what's the number one problem for network marketers? But you can do this for any market. But you need to identify the problem for your market. Number two, ask yourself, who has a product or a service that will absolutely solve the problem? Notice I didn't say create the product or service, but ask yourself who has a product or a service already that will absolutely solve the problem. Now, the benefits to this type of a connect the dots strategy, where you identify the problem and then connect that person that has the problem with an existing strategy, are numerous. First of all, there's absolutely no selling. There's only problem solving. You don't have to convince somebody that they need the product because they've got the problem and they want the solution. So there's no selling, only problem solving. Number two, there's no product creation hassles. You don't have to figure out how to create a product, a system, anything. You just go out, you become an affiliate of a particular product, and then you promote that to people who are experiencing a particular problem. The great thing about that is, number three, you get immediate cash flow. So instead of spending weeks or months creating a product and then getting paid, you can become an affiliate immediately, promote that product to people who are experiencing the problem, and have immediate cash flow coming in within 24 to 48 hours. And number four, the biggie. If you are in a market that has evergreen problems, for example, network marketers will always have issues finding leads. And there's always new people coming into the network marketing industry. So because this is an evergreen problem, as I solve that for the people in the market, I'm going to make evergreen profit. So whenever you find these evergreen problems that everybody in the market has and will continue to have, and you find a solution to it, you can create evergreen profit, meaning you make money week after week, month after month, and year after year. So let's go back to the example. The number one biggest problem for network marketers is leads, finding leads and finding high quality leads. So step number two would be research and find an existing product or service that solves the lead problem for network marketers. So this is when I would actually go out and start researching what options are out there on the market. Now, I'm going to give you a really cool strategy that is going to help you make a lot more money using this problem solution concept. It's what I call the fast and easy factor. The fast and easy factor is simply this. All things being equal, people usually prefer faster and easier results. You know, people want their problem solved today, instantaneously, without a lot of work. People want fast and easy results. Now that may seem obvious to you, but you'll discover when you look on the internet that there's a lot of products that offer results but take a lot of time, effort, energy, and are difficult to implement. So when you're looking for a solution to your market's problem, make sure that you always have in mind that people want a faster and easier result. So let me kind of give you some examples of this. Slower and more difficult solutions would include things like books, video programs, training programs, workshops, and seminars. Anything where the person experiencing the problem has to read or watch a video or attend an event and learn information and then implement information, well, that's very challenging for people to do. So that's going to be slower and more difficult results, which means that there's going to be a lower conversion rate. People don't get as excited about those type of products. Now, in terms of faster and easier solutions, those include systems. You can just plug right into the system and the system gives you the result. Or done-for-you services, where instead of having to do something yourself, you can simply hire somebody to do the work for you. Another option is license to existing products or services, or even a business in a box, where everything is done kind of like a franchise, where you just step into it and immediately you're into business. So as you'll see, people gravitate towards faster and easier solutions because it gives them the result they want immediately, and because that, people are even willing to pay a little bit more money because they'd rather have that fast and easy result today versus weeks, months, or even years later. So back to the example. In my market, the number one biggest problem for network marketers is leads. So when I would go out and I'd look for a faster, easier lead solution for network marketers. And that's exactly what I did. I did some research, went out to the different search engines, and here's a system that I personally found while doing my own research. And it's called the Power Lead System. Now, this is a generic lead generation system for network marketers, and it does a couple of really cool things. It creates free leads for any network marketer in any opportunity, which means that I can promote this system, this free lead system, to 91 million network marketers. So this product gives me the ability to promote what this market wants to everybody in the market. That's very powerful because I don't need to sell all 91 million people to make a lot of money. Just a percent of a percent of a percent of the people in that market I can promote this to and make a ton of extra income. Plus, an additional benefit of the Power Lead system is that it creates an additional income stream for network marketers. Now, network marketers love that. So on top of getting free leads, which they all love, it's also an extra income stream for them. So it's an additional way to get the network marketers to want to join that system and start getting some immediate free leads. So then when I find a system like this, I look for an affiliate opportunity. Is there a way for me to become an affiliate and then promote this and profit from this in terms of the network marketing industry? And the good thing is there was an affiliate opportunity with the Power Lead system. So I became an affiliate of the Power Lead system in just a few seconds. I had to fill out a form, click a button, boom, I'm an affiliate. I have my own link, and now I can start promoting this to network marketers. So now I'm starting to share the Power Lead system with network marketers struggling to find leads. And those people are everywhere. They're in forums, they've got websites and blogs, they're on Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn, they're all over the place. I mean, there are literally millions of network marketers who are struggling to find leads, and I'm now starting to share the Power Lead system with them. And I'll get paid another extra income stream each month for helping people solve a big problem. Notice I didn't say sell them anything, but I'm getting paid to help people, a lot of people, solve a big problem that they have. Now, the great thing about the Power Lead system is that you can also become an affiliate like me and get paid to solve problems too. And believe me, that's like Zig Ziglar said, you can get everything you want in your own life if you'll help enough other people get what they want in theirs. And it's a great way to make money, consistent money online, not by selling, but by solving problems. So when you become an affiliate, if you choose to become an affiliate of the Power Lead system, it creates an evergreen income stream for you as you share it with network marketers who want leads. If you're already involved in a network marketing opportunity of any kind, this can be a great tool that you can give to your downline and give them a tool to help them generate leads for the opportunity that you're in. If you're not in an opportunity, this is a great standalone offer that you can then promote to any and every network marketer in the industry. It also makes you a hero in the marketplace. When you're a salesperson, people are kind of repelled by salespeople. But when you're a problem solver and you're giving people something that solves their lead problem, that really makes you a hero to the marketplace. People like you, they trust you, and they want to do more business with you in the future. And then as a bonus, it also creates free leads for you too. So if you're in an opportunity or if you're just trying to start an online business and you don't know how to get leads, well, the great thing about the Power Lead system is once you become an affiliate, it also can create free leads for you as well. So you get a lot of benefits just by becoming an affiliate of the Power Lead system. So if you want to join me in making money and solving problems, then you might want to click the button below this video and you can start solving the #1 problem of network marketers and make evergreen income online. This is something that I'm going to be promoting heavily as a solution to the lead problem that millions and millions of network marketers are having every single day, day after day after day. So click the button below this video and check out the Power Lead system for yourself. You'll discover how you can become an affiliate, how the system generates free leads, and how you can generate an ongoing monthly residual income from not only your efforts, but also the efforts of your team as they also become affiliates of the Power Lead system and help other people get free leads. It's a very powerful system. So check it out and you can start making some long-term evergreen income by helping millions of network marketers solve their #1 problem of getting leads. Thanks for watching the training, and I look forward to giving you more training in the future. Bye-bye.